In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Fib Spiral on Tradingview Quick and Easy Guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a Fibonacci spiral to your chart, adjust it, customize the look, and manage it like any other tool in Tradingview. First, make sure you're on a chart in Tradingview. It can be any market or time frame you like. The steps are the same. Once your chart is open, move your attention to the upper left side of the screen. That's where your main toolbar lives, including all the drawing tools you'll be using. In that toolbar, look for the group of tools labeled Gann and Fibonacci tools. Click on this icon to expand the menu. A list will appear with several different tools, and among them, you'll see the Fib Spiral option. Go ahead and click on Fib Spiral to activate it. Now, your cursor becomes the Fib Spiral tool. To place it on your chart, first create your starting point by clicking where you want the spiral to begin. This could be a significant swing high or low, or any key level you're interested in. After placing that first point, move your cursor to where you want the spiral to end and click again. This second point defines the size and orientation of the spiral on your chart. Once it's placed, the Fib Spiral can help you visualize potential areas of interest based on Fibonacci proportions, both in price and time. Traders often use it to highlight zones where price reactions or turning points might occur, or simply to add another layer of structure to their technical analysis. You're not locked into where you first placed it. You can move or adjust the spiral anywhere on your chart by clicking and dragging the anchor points. This lets you fine-tune it as the chart evolves or as you change your analysis. You can also customize the appearance. With the spiral selected, you'll see options to modify it. You can use templates to quickly apply your favorite style, change the color to match your chart theme, and adjust the line tool width so it stands out more or blends in, depending on your preference. If you want deeper control, click on Settings. Here you'll find more detailed options related to the tool's behavior and visibility. When you're happy with the placement and style, you can click on Lock to prevent accidental changes while you work on other parts of your chart. And if you no longer need the Fib Spiral, simply click on Remove to delete it from the chart. That's the basic workflow for using a Fib Spiral on Tradingview. Add it, explain its role in your own analysis, adjust, customize, lock if needed, and remove when you're done.